How to fix WhatsApp monthly message limit reached. New messages not sending. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp fixes. If WhatsApp shows monthly message limit reached and your messages are not sending, here's what you need to know. First, understand the reason. This limit usually applies to business or new accounts and helps WhatsApp prevent spam and abuse. Now, the fixes. First, wait for the limit to reset. The monthly message limit automatically resets after a certain time. There is no manual reset option. Second, reduce bulk or repeated messages. Sending the same message to many chats quickly can trigger the limit. Third, verify your phone number fully. A fully verified and older account has fewer restrictions. Fourth, if you're using WhatsApp Business, complete business verification and improve your quality rating to increase limits. Fifth, update WhatsApp to the latest version and make sure your account has no warnings or restrictions. Pro tip: avoid using third-party tools or automation apps. They violate WhatsApp policies and can permanently block your account. That's it. Now you know how to fix the WhatsApp monthly message limit reached problem. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment resolved below.